Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Honda Pilot transmission fluid. Start by warming the engine and parking level, then set the parking brake. Open the hood, locate the transmission dipstick or fill plug, and wipe it clean before reinserting. Pull the dipstick and check color and level on the hot mark, smell for burning, and top off slowly if needed, using the correct fluid. In this video, I will show how to check Honda Pilot transmission fluid. Gather a rag, funnel, correct ATF, and a suitable container before you begin. Make sure the vehicle is warmed, parked level, and secured with the parking brake. Access the dipstick or fill plug, wipe and reinsert the dipstick, then check the hot mark for level and condition. Smell for burning and note any dark color or debris. In this video, I will show how to check Honda Pilot transmission fluid. With the engine warm, shift through gears to move fluid, then park and leave in park. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert fully, then pull it again to read the hot mark level and inspect color. If low, add small amounts through the dipstick tube or fill plug, then recheck to prevent overfilling and ensure proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.